मम्मा आप तो हमेशा ही बात करते हो।
अच्छा पिट्टी कर दूंगी।
I love the aesthetics of this store.
Got a good mind.
No, mine.
Yeah, mine.
Look at that view, guys. I तो love it.
जबरदस्ती
Yeah.
आज तो हमें देखना पड़ेगा कौन जीत रहा है।
Jivalia is a very newly opened store.
We were deciding to cover level 1. Kiara didn't leave a chance to get funny. Also host a lot of workshops during the weekends.
You have everything here in Gurgaon.
चलो चलो vlog बनाते हैं.
चलो ना.
Hi everyone. Welcome to the new vlog of.
The Naughty Eyes.
So guys, right now I'm at a place where my heart thrives and Mr. Nautia's wallet cries. Yeah, you heard it right. This is my favorite go-to place in Gurgaon. So right now I'm at Aereo Grand High Street in Gurgaon, Sector 58. Come along. Welcome to Aereo Grand High Street Market. So this market has it all. You name it and you have it. You have aesthetic cafes, restaurant, Indian designer boutiques and really good designers as well. Just to name a few, Tarun Tahilyani is here, Ensemble is here and the multi-designer store Koyu. That's one of my favorites. बहुत लोगों को इस मार्केट के बारे में नहीं पता है. So this vlog is going to be a detailed one. So I'm going to show you the stores one by one. This could be your next go-to place. So this is our most favorite go-to place in Gurgaon. Every weekend Kiara और मैं तो यहाँ होते ही हैं. बहुत सारे यहाँ कैफेज हैं जो हम दोनों को बहुत पसंद है. Every time it's a conflict between three of us कि कहाँ जाना है. Because I have my favorite, Kiara has her favorite and Papa has his favorite. Let you know guys, this is not going to be a mini vlog. It's a long video और मैं बहुत बोलने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में.
मम्मा आप तो हमेशा ही बात करते हो.
पिट्टी कर दूंगी. Guys, sit back, relax and watch this video till the end because last में आपको सरप्राइज पता चलेगा किसका कैफे हम जाने वाले हैं, किसका favorite choice is going to win, right?
Yeah, but we got a good mind.
No, mine.
Yeah, mine.
Let's start with Priyank's favorite, veg non-veg. The store focuses on exclusive sneakers and streetwear. The store is one of its kind. It features an art space for the art space by contemporary artists.
So भाई साहब के sneakers भी यहीं से हैं. Priyank, can I see
Yeah.
your shoes? You.
तो देख लो, शॉपोहॉलिक सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ, ये भी है.
Yeah. You want
We're
to go
not.
inside?
No, not today. Let's go, guys.
बेचारा बच्चा कितना खुश हो गया. इसको लगा हम शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. Alright, makeup girlies. Yes, Nykaa Luxe is here. For handcrafted leather goods, Napadori is here. You know what the best part about this market is? It's not overcrowded. There's a lot of space to roam around. There's a lot of light and it gives you good vibes. It is located on the Golf Course Extension Road, just adjacent to the Grand Hyatt. Look at that view, guys. I love it. Moving on, Da Milano, Pure Home Living, and my view got better. Hi, baby.
So if you love Ayurveda cosmetics, you have Kama Ayurveda, you have Forest Essentials, and if you really love hand block printing, then you have Suwasa, you have Pinkley, and there are really good brands over here. One of my favorites is this Good Earth. This is my most favorite home brand, Good Earth, जिसके लिए मैं खान मार्केट जाया करती थी. अब Good Earth यहीं पे खुल गया है. So yeah, I'm loving it. और मैं यहाँ जब भी आती हूँ, I really love to shop from here. Basically crockeries. I am fond of their crockeries.
You will get mesmerized by the aesthetic of this store. The symphony of pattern, colors, and materials. उफ, कोई कुछ लिए बिना इस स्टोर से कैसे बाहर आ सकता है.
Yeah, Mama's favorites.
Next is Nicobar. Needs no introduction. मैं तो अंदर नहीं गई क्योंकि सेल चल रही थी. They have simple and mindful aesthetics. For gifting, I always choose Nicobar.
So guys, we got Koyu. So it's a multi-designer store. So all the designers, Indian designers who were operating through Instagram, who do not have their own stores in Delhi or Gurgaon, so you get to see their outfits physically in this store. So basically for all the girls out there who are like me, जिनको आज इवेंट में जाना है, आज ही नया कपड़े लेने हैं, तो यहाँ आ जाओ. यहाँ पे Indian, formals, semi-formals, western, including the bags, jewelry, you get everything in this store. So one-stop shop for everything. Come.
And this is my favorite cafe. मैं पापा को यहाँ पे जबरदस्ती लाती हूँ
जबरदस्ती
हाँ,
पर आज
yeah.
आज तो हमें देखना पड़ेगा कौन जीत रहा है आज तो हमें देखना पड़ेगा ना
No, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
As the name is Parisian, they have these sit-outs just like Paris cafes. Kiara and I love this cafe. It's a small, cozy cafe. You just sit and have a croissant and coffee and I love their pancakes. और हाँ, Starbucks lover भी तो होते हैं. उनके लिए Starbucks भी है.
अबे भाई ये क्या आ गया ये तो अंजलि जी का फेवरेट स्टोर आ गया लव बर्ड्स पर अब तो तू नहीं जाएगी क्योंकि तूने क्यारा को भी नहीं जाने दिया था वी आर और वैसे क्यारा मम्मी ने क्या कहा था नो शॉपिंग स्प्री सो देखना क्या है भाई देखना क्या है कुछ नहीं जाना है नहीं
A few moments later.
And just a few seconds later, I was inside the store. कोई रोक पाया एक wife को और एक मम्मा को. I just did not wander in the store. I selected a piece.
This is my favorite store. It's called Lovebirds. So they deal in dresses, quad sets, tops, and lots of options, all contemporary ones. And basically, this is a flagship store in Gurgaon. So there's another store जिसके लिए मैं जाया करती थी. It was in Khan Market, but वो इतना छोटा store है वहाँ feel ही नहीं आती है कुछ भी खरीदने की. And this is the store. If I get into this store, I have to buy something. Already selected one piece for myself जो कि मैं कल खरीद लूँगी.
हमें ऐसा लगता है हमारे पीछे बेचारी
Ground floor पे you'll see Masaba.
और साथ में शांतनु निखिल, पापा का most favorite.
So अब हम जा रहे हैं अब मैं बताती हूँ हाँ तो so this is Cafe Dory, my second favorite, and are we sitting outside or inside?
When I was talking about aesthetic cafes, this is what I was talking about. So this one is Cafe Dory. I really love this one. The food is really good and you can sit outside also and inside. Vibes are equally good. When the people are good with you, the company is good, the vibes are good. When I was talking about luxury Indian wear, I was talking about this. So JJ Walia is a very, very newly opened store in this market. You also have Ensemble, which is again a multi-designer store, but a luxury one for sure. So yeah, turn it towards this side.
Just behind Ensemble is Tarun Tahiliani's store, known for their bridal wear, couture, tailored silhouettes, and draped forms. You'll find everything here. While we were deciding to cover level 1, Kiara didn't leave a chance to get funny. I just passed by Pure Home Living and I just wanted to show you the show shelf. Just look at that Valentine collection all in pink.
Going to level 1.
एस्केलेटर से बिल्कुल सामने आपको दिखता है शीक, उसके लेफ्ट में है मिंक. ऑन द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट यू सी द ह्यूज स्टोर ऑफ राना गिल. Okay, so this place has a lot of options for throwing a party as well. You see Romeo Lane on level 2.
Is the store India Circus by Krishna Mehta.
This store is hidden in the corner, so it's not easy to find, but yes, it's on level 1.
You have Amit Agarwal here, Vanilla Moon is here, and Khara Kapas. If you love to wear linens and cottons, Khara Kapas is just fab. Blue Tokai is here. You can just relax here. You can just grab one book and sit and have fun. And then there is another cafe which I really love the most. Kiara's favorite cafe. It's here. You can see. Do you see that poo? Yes. So this is Kiara's favorite cafe. It's called Greener.
So you can also have your movie date here at Cinepolis.
So behind me you can see Shades of India. It's my most favorite kurti brand. They deal into luxury textile, home furnishing, bed, bath, everything they have, and all amazing textiles. Which cafe won?
Greener.
इतने सारे डिस्कशन के बाद फाइनली ग्रीनर ही जा रहे हैं हम. इसने आते ही पोस्ट कार्ड कलेक्ट करना शुरू कर दिया so that she can color them.
The cutest and beautiful artwork by the people who visit this cafe. Can you guess who is this little creature with Winnie the Pooh? If you know, mention in the comments.
So Kiara, finally कौन जीता Kiara and Papa.
Now we are at Greener Cafe and we can color and draw her. Yeah.
पापा के लिए तो कुछ लाएंगे ड्राइंग के लिए.
बच्चा नहीं है, ये बच्चा.
Let's figure it out.
While they were busy in coloring, I was having pasta. Greener Cafe also hosts a lot of workshops during the weekends. Look at the space behind me. I really love this cafe. The food is really good. It is so relaxing out here. Listen to the music, read the book, and do coloring. Just spend some time with your family. I'm a fan of 67. It's cool, bro. Alright guys, so this vlog is coming to an end. So we have shown you all the stores available in this market. So next time whenever you are confused where to go, this is the place for you. And यहाँ आके shopping भी कर सकते हो, खा भी सकते हो. So don't let your husbands run away from you. This is the place for you. Basically अब दिल्ली जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have everything here in Gurgaon. So if you really like the video, please like, subscribe and share to the people who do not know about this market. See you next time. क्या फ़ायदा हुआ और शॉपिंग भी नहीं कराई.